Who's ready to hatch some cool pets? Click here to make your very own monster on Adapted Mind, where monsters teach you math. Oh my, that monster looks incredible! Alrighty, these pets aren't going to hatch themselves. Let's go! Ooh, I can't wait to see what awesome pet is inside this egg. Let's do it! Do you know the answer? Click here to answer and hatch your own pet on Adapted Mind. Come on, you got this!
Correct!
Did you know that making mistakes is okay? It's true. Click here to try out more problems yourself. Psst! And parents, on Adapted Mind, a real teacher explains each problem your child misses, so they can learn all by themselves.
Correct!
Wahoo! We hatched the pet! But you know, he could use a little customizing. Click here to earn and customize your own cool pets on Adapted Mind. Hurry! This is your last chance! Hey, wait! Oh, get down here, you! I gotta check what he's been eating. Thanks so much for hatching with me. Come answer more math problems and hatch your own pets on Adapted Mind. We'll be waiting.